In this video, we're going to walk through how to factor a quadratic expression, a skill that's crucial for solving many ACT math problems. Today's question is, select all the factors of the equation, x squared plus 2x minus 80. Let's break that down. First, notice that we have a quadratic in standard form, x squared plus 2x minus 80. To factor it, we're going to look for two numbers that multiply to negative 80 and add up to 2. Let's think of factor pairs of negative 80. We're looking for a pair where one number is positive and one is negative, because the product is negative, and they need to add up to 2. The answer choices include 8s and 10s, so let's start there. 10 times negative 8 equals negative 80. 10 plus negative 8 equals 2. So we can factor the quadratic as x plus 10 and x minus 8. Now let's look at the other options. Negative 10 times 8 equals negative 80 as well. However, negative 10 plus 8 equals negative 2, not positive 2. So these factors cannot be the right answer. That means the correct factors of this expression are x plus 10 and x minus 8. This approach, multiplying to get the last term and adding to get the middle term, is a key technique to remember when factoring quadratics on the ACT. Ready to crush the ACT? Achievable includes everything you need to get a top score. With Achievable, you get a personalized AI-driven study plan, short, engaging lessons, and realistic practice questions that adapt to your progress. It's everything you need, streamlined, effective, and adapts to your needs. Tens of thousands of people have trusted Achievable to boost their scores, and now it's your turn. Start your free trial today at achievable.me. Follow the link below in the description to get started.